of let's see how to disconnect iPad from iPhone messages. In the first step, open Settings, later go to Messages, then press Send and Receive. In the next step, open your Apple ID at the top, then pick Sign Out. Now approve the choice. In the next step, open Settings. Next, go to FaceTime, then press your Apple ID. Next, pick Sign Out. In the next step, open Settings, later go to Apple ID, later press iCloud. Next, switch off Messages. In the next step, open Settings. Next, go to Notifications. After that, press Messages. Later, disable Allow Notifications. You are good to go.